So today I'm gonna teach you how to make your first application. So in the application name, this is where the part you would be the one who decide what's your app's name. So I'm gonna write here my first app. So click the next button. Since we had phone or tablet, this would be the device that we had and this would be our target. The minimum SDK would be decide what's your Android's phone version. So don't pick here an Android version who are higher than your current device. So I'm gonna pick this KitKat. Click the next button. So in choosing your activity, there is already current activity were already built. But since we are developing a basic Android app, we would be rather choose this empty activity, then click next. So finish. So it would be take a while. So wait for it. So that's it. Um, wait for it since it will take a while since it Gradle or build. Mm, don't click anything when your app or when you're currently building your application. You can see it here. So this would be the look of your first app. Thank you.